Hello everybody, this is the cooking show with our host, Sarah Allegra. We're going to be making fried vegetables. Which are pretty tasty.
What? You mean fruit.
Fruit, whatever.
Sure. But they're made for babies, so.
First, we need to get a cutting board. Yummy. Whatever it is.
Scallops?
Yeah, that. A banana. I think kiwi. Orange, I don't know why. Okay. A pear. And lemon. Now I have to cut these. So I have to use this.
Hey, wait. This is a cooking show. Use a knife.
Oh. So, I already cutted those. Banana. Yay, someone's left. I cut the orange and cut the kiwi majiggy.
Kiwi majiggy?
Yes, that's how I nicknamed it. And then...
Wash the knife.
Oh, yeah. Whatever. Water's not working? Okay.
Water's not working.
So we're going to get this.
What's that?
It's a weird kind of new style. Because I have to use all 4 of these things.
What are you? You're frying the banana, right?
No, they're going on the top. The banana is going on the top.
Wait, you have to cook them.
Not the banana. Yes, you can. We don't. The orange is just for a baby. I don't care about the orange. Put the lemon in. The lemons, you get the squeezing, and then you get the pear.
What about the oranges?
Orange is for the baby.
What is that? Okay. See, she's a chef. She made espresso. Oh, hey, what are we talking about? No butts on the screen.
Next week we're going to be making soup.
Hello. She's going to have to call you back. We're in the middle of a cooking show.
That's it. She wants a 25 for free.
No.
Turn that on.
Whatever. Bye.
Forgot I made pizza too.
Turn that on.
Right now?
And bake. Because we're going to be baking.
Happy birthday!
For a good 5 minutes.
Let's turn on. It was on bake, turning it off. It's a pretty lamp. Daddy's like, bee-bee-boo-baa-bee-bee-boo.
Okay, let me just
Commercial break.
beep. Hey, join us next time on. No, it's just a commercial. Commercial. Aren't you tired of people snoring in your bed? Well, now we have the new technique. What's up, Ben? That's our new technique. And we're back. Turn it off. Turn that off. Turn
The dishwasher on.
Okay.
No.
Okay, so we're gonna get. Don't put it that close.
Burning.
Well, I guess all the dishes.
You have to fry the
are-
nanners.
No, I don't.
I'll eat the nanner. I'm gonna go grocery shopping.
Oh, I get to wash it off. Again. Go in the other kitchen.
I know, right? That's what I'm saying.
Turn off the phone.
I'm sorry, I gotta go. I'm in the middle of hosting a show. Well, filming a show. Okay. Beep. You're lucky. Wasn't that important?
Okay, so you put.
Oh. Who you think that you know?
Another commercial break. Be right back in 2 minutes.
They need it.
Whenever you got those, just dump everything like that in your basket. Portable and small.
Batteries are not included.
And 15.
And we're back.
Okay, we are back. We have our cooking supplies now.
No things.
There's everything in there. Then the other
She was neat. Can I help you?
Put a little squirt of lemon in it. Get a little
Scoop of sugar here. The sugar.
mix it all around. Then I have to put the lemons in it to make it a little more taste. Okay.
And
Then we eat it. Let you try. Join us next time on the cooking show.